Tired of the web development grind? Let's revolutionize how you build web apps using the power of AI. Today, we're diving into how tools like Lovable and Cursor can dramatically speed up your web app creation process, from initial design to functional code. Imagine this: you have an idea for a new web application, but the thought of hand-coding every element feels overwhelming. This is where AI steps in. We'll explore how to leverage these intelligent assistants by simply describing your desired features and functionalities. The first step is to articulate your vision, whether it's a user dashboard, an e-commerce platform, or a creative portfolio. AI code generation tools can translate your natural language descriptions into functional code snippets. Beyond just code, these platforms offer invaluable design assistance. Think of them as your AI design partner, suggesting layouts, color schemes, and even responsive components to create a polished user experience without you needing to be a graphic design expert. This capability for rapid prototyping is a game-changer. Instead of spending hours on a single page, you can generate multiple iterations and test different approaches in a fraction of the time, allowing you to identify the best path forward quickly. Lovable, for example, excels at translating your ideas into visual elements and even suggesting code for immediate implementation, while Cursor acts as an intelligent coding companion, helping you write, refactor, and debug your code with unprecedented speed and accuracy. By integrating these AI tools into your workflow, you're not just building web apps faster. You're building smarter, focusing more on innovation and less on repetitive, time-consuming tasks. Get ready to unleash your web development potential.